2, 3, let's switch this up.
Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be using Alex, which is one of the colors from Apres Neutral collection, and she's so pretty. Alright, so today we're going to use Apres Gel X Neutral collection in the color Alex. She is a natural medium square, and this is how she looks. If you want to see a full video of me comparing all four colors, make sure you check the video up in the video cards. I will link it down below as well. So today we're going to do maybe a 4th of July design. I totally forgot it was 4th of July, so I totally changed my design. So I already picked out my tips and we're going to apply them. I have tons of videos showing you how to prep your natural nail and how to prep your tips, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into me wearing them. It's definitely one of my favorite colors. Before we get started, if you're interested in this nail design, I did this in my last video, so I will link it up at the top. Make sure you comment, you like, and you subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so I already prepped my nails. I'm getting ready to put this on. It's called I don't know, peel off coat, because I'm gonna start posting more videos for you guys, and I just want to be able to pop my nails off pretty quickly. So I'm gonna do a thin layer of this. All right, you guys, so with some editing magic, I have the nails on, and this is how Alex looks on my skin tone. She is a beauty. She's so beautiful. I really love how she looks. So like I said, I'm gonna attempt to do a 4th of July design. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm not the best drawer, so I'm not gonna draw anything. I'm just gonna use what I have laying around to make a cute 4th of July set. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so I found some foils. I found red and a light blue. This is the deepest blue I could find. It's more like a teal color or something, but I think these two together will look so cute on the nails with some sparkles and maybe some rhinestones. So let's see how she turns out. So I'm gonna be using the Macart Nail Art foil glue, and I'm gonna put these on the nails, and I'm just gonna kind of put the foil randomly, kind of do a abstract design. Okay. Alright, so I forgot to hit record, but basically what I'm doing is taking the foil and kind of randomly putting them on there. This one needs a little bit more glue on there. Alright, so for the sparkle, I'm using this color called Techno by Glaze. I'm gonna mix her up, and we're gonna put her on there. And kind of do the same thing, kind of randomly, nothing too crazy. Kind of move it around. All right, so you know me, no bling, no fling. So I'm gonna use the Macart nail stone glue, and this glue, I'm telling you, is so good. Like, I literally have to drill my rhinestones off. So we're going to I picked out some rhinestones and we're gonna cluster them on the ring finger. You guys, there you have it. This nail design came out so freaking cute. Like look at this. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite sets that I have done on my channel. She is stunning. I was second guessing myself the whole time when I saw the idea of like, oh, maybe, you know, some foils and stuff, but oh my god. Look at the cluster. Look at the cluster of rhinestones I put on there. Like, the color combination is freaking stunning, you guys. Like, look at this. Ow! I'm in love, okay? Let me know what you think of this nail design. Super cute. You know, 4th of July inspired, but make it glam and make it girly and sparkly. The best of all the worlds, okay? Let me know what else you want to see. Stay tuned because I still have 2 more colors that I need to try from Apres Neutral Collection. They're coming right up, okay? So let me know what designs, what color combos you want me to do. Add me on Instagram. I'll put my handle right here. You can even send me inspo pictures for me to maybe recreate or you know, give me ideas. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.